Prelims is approaching fast, so ask yourself, are you taking CSAT seriously or leaving it for the last moment because it's just qualifying? That mindset is the biggest mistake aspirants make. CSAT doesn't test memory, it tests your clarity under pressure, reasoning, comprehension, numeracy, and problem solving. One weak area, one wrong approach, and the prelims journey can end there. That's why the VisionIAS CSAT Crash Course Prelims 2026 starting 5th January at 11 a.m. is designed for smart, focused preparation. With complete topic coverage, every concept in CSAT is explained clearly and systematically, so nothing is left to chance. Through practice-driven learning, you apply what you have studied with mini-tests, exercises, and exam-focused problem solving. Expert insights and strategies help you tackle questions faster and more accurately, saving precious time in the exam. With personalized mentorship, your doubts are resolved, performance is tracked, and guidance is tailored to your strengths and weaknesses. And the flexibility of live plus recorded classes ensures you can learn at your own pace, revisit tough topics, and stay consistent in preparation. Don't let CSAT decide your prelims result. With the VisionIAS CSAT Crash Course, prepare smart, build confidence, and face prelims calm and ready. For more information or register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.